To perform an EAA on an Oticon device, and most of the Oticon devices we see, you'll use Oticon Genie 2, and some older hearing aids will use the original Genie. So go ahead and select Genie 2. And from here we need to connect the hearing aid, so you can click down in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and turn your hearing aids off and on. And select your hearing aid. When Select Settings pops up, it doesn't matter which one we select because we are not connecting programming. I like to say Read from Device. So from here, head and go to Fitting, and then Tools, Technical Measures, press OK. And now the window will pop up where we have the options of full-on gain and reference gain. So if we want to do full-on gain, go ahead and select Program and perform your EAA. And once you're done performing your EAA for full-on gain, go ahead and press Reset, and then select ANSI reference gain and Program, and then continue with your gain control at RTS on the VeriFit 2. So once you're done, go ahead and press Reset and close. And go ahead and close the software. Make sure that you're not saving any of the test data into the instrument. And then EAA is complete on the Oticon device. To compare your EAA results, there's a binder with manufacturer specifications located in the hearing aid room with the VeriFit 2 in the cabinets to the right. If not, you will need to find them online.